Now let's move on and talk about one of the most important aspects of artificial intelligence, which is machine learning. Now, a lot of people always ask me this question: is machine learning and artificial intelligence the same thing? Well, both of them are not the same thing. The difference between AI and machine learning is that machine learning is used in artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a method through which you can feed a lot of data to a machine and make it learn. Now, AI is a vast field. Under AI, we have machine learning, we have NLP, we have expert systems, we have image recognition, object detection, and so on. We have deep learning also. So, AI is sort of a process, or it's a methodology, in which you make machines mimic the behavior of human beings. Machine learning is a way in which you feed a lot of data to a machine so that it can make its own decisions.